Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt, MC Modelworks. I thought I'd show you how I'm getting on with my Captain Barbossa from Pirates of the Caribbean. Um, Kind of going slow and steady on this, and I'm trying new techniques rather than just paint. I'm more like putting layers of washes on, and it's coming out quite well. For some reason we got a shine on the monkey's jacket, but I'll put matte varnish on later. There we go. So yeah, I think we've gone through the entire flesh colour range from Vallejo on this. And this is where we are with it. And still a little bit more to do. And the hat, where's that? Hat is done. Well, that much done. Bit of light levering and a feather on there. But this is where I am, and I hope to have it finished in about a week. There's a competition at the local club, and I hope to enter it and see how I get on. Yeah, I think that's all. So there he is, so far. Like, comment, subscribe, share, I don't mind. Cheers guys.